Planning a trip to the vibrant nation of Benin, you'll need a visa to enter. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of applying for a Benin e-visa using the Visa Center's Benin online visa platform. Many of our clients are calling the Benin visa a Cotonou visa. The capital of Benin is Cotonou. That is why they call it so. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Benin Visa Application Center's website at benin.visacenter.ca. This is the portal all e-visa applicants must use to get visa to Benin. Here you will see the price list reflecting the main visa types available. Look what visa answers more to your trip requirements. Below price table, you will see the requirements. Basically, you need to have a valid passport. Also, it is recommended to have emergency travel insurance for the length of your trip. To start the application process, click on the green color Apply Now button to begin your application. You will be directed to the electronic visa form. Here, you'll need to provide accurate personal information, including your full name, date of birth, nationality, and passport details. The first section of the application form is called Personal Data. Here you must enter your first and last name, date of birth, gender, place of birth, in other words, city of birth or village of birth, country of birth, country of nationality, in other words, it is the citizenship, the name of the country of the passport with which you apply now, your occupation, phone number, current home address, and email. The second section is Travel Data. Here you must enter the date of your previous stay in Benin, the date of entry for this trip, your address in Benin, it can be hotel or private residence, duration of stay in Benin in days, the date on which you plan to leave Benin, destination after Benin, in other words, what country you will be going to, means of substance, which is the source of money you will use during the stay, return guarantee, the reasons that prevent you from staying in Benin longer than declared. The third section is passport data. Here you must enter the passport number and all other relevant information. Prepare digital copies of the required documents. In the case of Benin e-visa, this is a scanned copy of your passport's biodata page. In some cases, they call it the main page of the passport, and it should not be only a scanned image. A good quality photo made with your phone is usually enough. Just make sure there are no flares on the image. Upload the picture of the page in the designated sections. Now choose the type of e-visa that suits your travel plans. There are 3 options that differ by number of entries and the length of visa validity. Naturally, the more entries and the longer the validity, the higher the fee. These fees cover both the consular and handling charges. Proceed to the payment section to pay the visa fee. The platform accepts various payment methods. After completing the payment, review your application to ensure all information is correct. Once you've verified everything, submit your application. You'll receive a confirmation email acknowledging receipt of your application. In 3 to 4 days after submission, you get Benin e-visa in your email box, print it out and insert it into the passport. Along with this, make a screenshot of it and save it in your photos as a backup. Have a great trip to Benin.